Howdy, Sully from Tiger Bricks here, and last weekend my girlfriend went to the thrift store near us and found this neat little Lego set, so I want to take a look and see what's inside. This little set cost us $6.75, and this is from the same thrift store that last year I got the May 4th haul from, where we found the Jango Fett's helmet and other vintage Star Wars minifigures. That haul cost us about $12, and we found about $200 worth of Star Wars minifigures and also a bunch of pieces from different sets. This one, however, looks like it's going to be all from one set, except right off the bat I see a Friends figure, so maybe there's something else in here. He's not going to be worth a lot, maybe a dollar or two, but that's how many dolls usually go. There's also this tiny pink horse, or I guess unicorn. I'm not sure what that's from, it's probably not worth much. Definitely not Lego, so this could be from a girl's toy chest or something. But it looks like we do have the minifigures for this set, and that's what I was hoping for. I believe these guys are called the Blueberry Guitarist and the Candy Ballerina. Not sure just off the top of my head, but you guys know, if you've been watching my videos for a while, I'm a big fan of the video theme. Although they were overpriced, I thought they brought some really cool minifigures and different ideas to the sets. Unfortunately, and LEGO Hidden Side also had this problem, they just need to stay away from apps because they add zero playability to the average consumer. It looks like we have a lot of pieces, maybe even all of them, hopefully, so let's try to put this together. I might cut in out of here, just try to build it and see what we get. Alright, it looks like we have the whole base and this chocolate fountain kind of thing. Looks like it can go right here. It should only take about 5 minutes. I've just got to figure out where exactly the pieces go because for the most part they're completely assembled, and that's always nice. Let me move the camera down a bit so you can actually see what's going on around here. So there is this little bear face or something over here that goes on top. I know that for sure. And back here there's some arches. I'm thinking that this connects somehow. Just not sure right now. I'll have to look at the instructions. Alright, I did a little bit of building off camera, but for the most part it is actually complete. It's missing a few pieces right around here. There's like some columns that go in here, but that's about it. There's also some extra pieces over here. Some of them look like they go to this set, and others look like they might have gone to the Friends set. And this also came with the little stand that helps with the video app. I don't know what it does, but it's got these cool tiles that look like records. I always liked them. There's also a few extra on the back. It's pretty cool getting this, but I don't know what I'm going to do with it. So besides the extra pieces, we also got an extra little unicorn and a Friends minifigure, as well as some regular video minifigures. I did take a chance to look up that pink pony, and it looks like it's from a Polly Pocket set, and it might be worth about $4 or $5. The complete video set, I would say, is worth about $15, so overall, it's about a profit of $12. That's all I've got to say about that, but I also want to show you guys this set placed on my LEGO video shelf. So here it is next to the Punk Pirate ship and the base bot car. Right now I only need one other set, which is the K-pop set, and I don't know if I'll ever get that, so here it is. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I love doing these thrift store hauls, and if you like it, let me know in the comments, and also leave a like on the video. Also, consider subscribing. You can see more content like this, and I always appreciate it. See ya.